Hi, it's Shandy Autry. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Pork tenderloin with a garlicky citrus soy sauce. Here's what you'll need. A pork tenderloin, pre-seasoned or plain, about 2.5 pounds. Some fresh garlic that you'll slice in half. A little rosemary, and these tasty items for the sauce. You can serve up your tenderloin with some fresh veggies in season. Make 8 slices along the top of your tenderloin. Then insert the garlic into each slice. Place your tenderloin in a baking dish and make the sauce. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, Dijon mustard, honey, orange juice, the rosemary, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Whisk it all together and then pour it right over the tenderloin. Bake for about 45 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees. Then let it rest for 10 minutes. Now slice it up, plate it up, and serve it with that delicious sauce poured right over the top. Garlicky pork tenderloin for dinner tonight. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.